control balance off, take the body and shift down until the arms fit between the shoulder blocks and the head. Roll the hips up, holding one shoulder block and the other elbow out to the side. Alternate legs, finding the outside edge of the carriage 3 times, and then guiding the leg against the side of the carriage, step off, rolling over and hold the balance. Bend the knee and then lift up onto the tiptoe, and coming back on, roll over and bring the legs straight up to the ceiling. Repeat the alternating legs, opening the elbow on the leg that's reaching down, and then as we step off, push with the opposite hand to stand right onto the standing leg, come up to balance, bend the knee, stretch up on the toe and down, and then tuck the head under and reach the legs up to the ceiling to return, bend the knees in, and slide back onto the carriage. You can see this exercise demonstrated and taught with our experts below.